Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from a Twitter account. Okay. How to log out, how to sign out. Okay. Go to Twitter or X, whatever you call it, but I prefer calling it Twitter. Okay. So as you can see here right now, I'm logged in. Okay. So you see those three dots. Can you see them here? You click here, you scroll down. Okay. From here, you click log out. Okay, log out. The one ask you if you want to log out, you can say log out or you can just cancel it. So I'm gonna confirm log out. I have log out. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. So